Can a business student go to nursing training? Can a business student go to nursing training? Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to tell you if you are a business student and you want to go to nursing training school, then this video is for you, okay? So sit down, relax, and then watch this video. If you are a business student and then you want to go to nursing training school and you are asking yourself or wondering, can a business student go to nursing training school? Or if any business student asks you, can I go to nursing training school? What answer will you give to the person? Okay, so as I don't want to waste much time, let's go straight to the point. Okay, if you are a business student and then you are wondering, is your dream to go to nursing training school? Okay, and then you are wondering, business students can't apply for nursing training school. Okay. As for me, I'm sitting here right now. I am a business student in senior high. When we go to senior high and then we go and then do business. Okay. Some of my friends were saying when I completed senior high school, there is no school for me to go except university because even teachers training, um, some of teachers training did not accept business students. And I said that um, it's not my dream to be a teacher. I will go to nursing training school. And she said that how? How can you, a business student, go to nursing training school? There is no way for you to go to nursing training school because you are a business student. Okay. But as that time I didn't know anything about nursing. Okay. So I was wondering, oh, so my dream cannot come true because it was my dream to be a nurse. But because of what my friend told me, I was like, so what should I do now? Should I change my passion or but God being so good, okay. When I completed senior high school and then um one day I was making my research and then I saw someone's video saying that a business student can be a nurse. When I saw that video, I was really happy, Papa. Wow, my dream has come true. It's like, wow. So I watched the video to the end and then understand everything and then follow the process and then any information the person give it to me. Okay. So when I follow the information and then the information the person give it to me, it really helped me, Papa. My dream has come true. Okay. So that's why I don't want to keep it. I'm also going to give you any information about it. So if you're a business student and then you want to be a nurse, the question is, can a business student go to nursing training? How will you answer? Yes or no? The answer is yes. Mm, are you surprised? The answer is yes. A business student can go to nursing training school. But one thing is that um because of the elective subject we did in senior high, we cannot apply for a diploma program or a degree. But there is a chance for us to start from certificate program. Okay. So in business, in senior high, we did elective subjects like financial accounting, business management, principle of cost accounting, economics, and some did French, mathematics, which is elective math, ICT. Okay, so these are the um elective subjects we did in senior high. Okay, so if you did all this in senior high, then you can use it to apply for nursing school you want to go. Okay, as I said earlier, because of the elective subjects, okay, we did in senior high, it will qualify us to apply for certificate program, but not a diploma or a degree. Okay, so we can apply for a certificate program like a nursing assistant clinical, which is NAC, nurses assistant clinical, which is NAC, and then we have nurse assistant preventive, which is NAP. Okay, nurse assistant preventive, which is NAP. Okay, and for those who we call them a community nurse, a community nurse. Yes, that's that one I'm talking about. Okay. And then the aggregate is A1 to E8, A1 to E8, aggregate 48 or better, aggregate 48 or better, A1 to E8. So um let's take um let's take this. Okay, let's say you did um um accounting, course accounting, economics, and then for core subjects also you did English, math, and science. So three elective subjects and then three core subjects. Okay, and you add it and then you use it to apply. Okay, whether you have A1 to C4 or A1, let's say, or you get A1. It's because you are a business student, you can use it to apply for a certificate. Okay. So as time goes on after the certificate program, and then you want to continue, then you can continue and then do your diploma program or a certificate program. Okay. Hey, sorry, a diploma program or a degree program. Okay. So this is best information for um business students who want to go to nursing training school. Okay. And then the age is 16 or 16 to 35 years. Yeah. The age is 16 to 35 years. So that's it. Okay. I hope you understand everything well. Okay. So be happy if you are a business student. There is a chance for you to apply for nursing training. Okay. Just that you can't apply for a degree or diploma program, but you start from a certificate program. Thank you for watching it, and I see you in my next. Here is Nursing Mirror channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.